So in this video, I will show you how to organize products in your Shopify store. Let's get started. So let's head over to our store to see what products we have. As of right now, I have hat, pants, and product 1. So for example, I want to reorganize it by the means that I want to remove this product 1. What I can do is I can head over to my Shopify store, click on this customize option right here, and then first things first, we need to figure out what collection is actually involved. So on your homepage, scroll down and here you can see your featured collection. So click on this one, and then in here, just scroll down your left sidebar, and you can see the collection that is involved in this, which is the all collection. So you can click on this change option right here to change the collection or remove it altogether. When you click on this change collection, you can actually add some few more things that you can actually forgive. So for example, for this one, you can edit out this particular product, or you can also add a new collection or create a new collection that will not have this product. So for example, let's create a new collection. And in here, this will load in here a new page that will direct you to the collections page. So in here, let's name it, for example, summer. And then you can add in description, collection type, as well as automated things you have right here. So for example, you can make it automated or manual as well if you want. Now you can also copy the default template for this one and save this progress. So in here, once you have saved this particular collection, which is the summer collection, you can see in here the products. Click on this browse right here and let's add only the pants and the hat and not add this product 1. Click on this add right here, and then from in here, as you can see, they will be added. So let's head back, and then this will actually save this particular collection. Next thing we need to do is we need to head back in here, and then let's try to refresh our Shopify editor. Once we have refreshed it, we should be able to see the newly added collection in here. So under in here, your featured collection, click on this change option again, and then click on this change collection. And then in here, this will reflect our summer collection. So choose this summer, click on select. And then as you can see, it will change your featured product. So once it has changed your featured product, just save this progress right here. And then once it's been saved, we can head over in here to your store and then refresh this progress. So you can refresh it because it will take some time for the actual change to appear. But once you have done that, you can actually see that we only have 2 products, and those 2 products will reflect on our featured products right here. And it will only take some time. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.